To set an alarm on your Samsung or Android phone, you'll first swipe up from the home screen to reveal all your apps. Then look for the Clock app, and once you're within the Clock app, make sure you have alarms selected on the bottom of your screen. The Clock app has everything from world clock to stopwatch and timer, so if you don't see alarms, make sure you have the right category selected from the bottom. Here you'll see all your existing alarms, which can be easily toggled on or off. To create a new alarm, tap the little plus icon. Scroll the numbers to set a time for your alarm, and choose the days of the week you want this alarm to repeat on. You can have it repeat every day, or only on selected days of the week, depending on your needs. If you'd like, you can give your alarm a name. This is something you'll see on the screen when the alarm goes off, so it can work as a reminder as well. Take your meds, go walk the dog, etc. You can change the sound either by choosing from built-in options or by choosing a song from a third-party app like Spotify. There's some other settings you can customize as well, like vibration setting or the background that's shown when your alarm goes off. Once you're happy with your alarm, tap Save. You can use the toggle to disable and enable the alarm, and you can group alarms together if needed. If you want to change things like alarm volume, tap the three little button and go to the settings. Here you can adjust a lot of clock and alarm-related settings, including the volume for your alarms, and whether you'd like to use the same volume for all your alarms, or set it individually for each alarm. And that's how you set up alarms on your Samsung phone. Leave a comment if you have any questions and subscribe for more easy, quick guides like this.